can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin. Bitcoin currently trades above $86,000. Bitcoin has gotten into a new all-time high of $90,243. How high can Bitcoin go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Are we gearing up for that one final parabolic top, or is the top in already for Bitcoin? In this video, we'll take a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. We'll look at Bitcoin's market cap, which rallied to as high as $1.75 trillion. Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market has gotten to a new cycle high. Good news for going around the Bitcoin ecosystem. Is there more room for Bitcoin to pump? Is $100,000 on the table? There's a swing in the cryptocurrency market. How will that affect the price of Bitcoin? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to become a member, link in the description. Let's get down to business. The altcoin market has been pumping, but Bitcoin has taken the shine. Bitcoin, the king of the market, has blasted to new all-time highs. Bitcoin, the king of the market, has gotten to as high as $90,000. The bears are in disbelief. Bitcoin blasted to new all-time highs, multiple new all-time highs after new all-time highs, eventually finding a pulse at the $90,200 level. But the question right now is, will Bitcoin continue this pump? Was this just a fake pump to the moon before we start dumping back to Goblin Town? Because, guys, there's that bearish scenario where Bitcoin has consolidated or distributed for the last 9 months, and a lot of people have been shorting Bitcoin, expecting it to dump to Goblin Town, and eventually Bitcoin blasted to $90,000 to liquidate them. People will get very, very bullish. A lot of bullish traders will be betting the price of Bitcoin will go up. A lot of bulls expect it to continue going up, and maybe next week or 2 weeks after that, we'll see Bitcoin dumping back to Goblin Town, entering back that trading range, and then heading back to the $50,000 level. I'll not be shocked if that's on the card for Bitcoin in the coming days and coming weeks. Guys, you remember, we have to be buying low to sell high. If you bought when Bitcoin was at $15,000 when we were buying on this channel right now, you should be selling for some sweet, sweet profit. Just over the last 1 year, you're up 136%. The good times are not going to last forever. Bitcoin is not going to be rallying aggressively like 16% in 1 week forever. I don't think this rally will reach 2025. I don't think the good times will stay till the end. Anytime there's consensus that there's going to be good times ahead, anytime there's consensus that there's no chance we're going to be dumping, everything is looking good and dandy, you want to be very, very careful. You want to avoid being exit liquidity. New Bitcoin price all-time highs unlikely, as traders eye 70,000 floor. Bitcoin needs to take stock of recent gains. Says the market participants as both still represent rejection at $90,000. Bitcoin profit taking remains below historical peak amidst $90,000 high since Bitcoin broke past its March high of $73,679. Bitcoiners have pulled $20.4 billion in realized profit. Glassnode says further gains may lie ahead. So the big whales are taking some profits off the table. The big whales that bought at $15,000 are quietly selling at the top, while retail participants are expecting us to continue pumping to higher values, guys. Bitcoin reaching $100,000 from here is less than a 20% pump. A lot of altcoins in the market are doing that in less than a day. So I expect focus to shift from Bitcoin into the altcoin market, even though Bitcoin is going to be grabbing all the headlines. Bitcoin is pumping at all-time highs. Historically, that has gotten a lot of people into the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin pushed past $90,000 and missed a 24-hour rally. That rally saw Bitcoin having a $10,000 candle that saw Bitcoin starting the day around $79,000. Bitcoin ended the day above $89,000, and liquidations are rising. Imagine Bitcoin rising to as high as $90,000, and most of the bulls got liquidated. Over the last 24 hours, more than $902 million have been liquidated from the bulls and the bears. The bulls accounted for $658 million. So Bitcoin is rallying to higher prices, but a lot of people are getting liquidated as we're pumping to higher prices because their bets were placed that Bitcoin will just continue rallying. So Bitcoin will rally, liquidate them, continue rallying, and liquidate them. Extreme greed is right now in the cryptocurrency market. A lot of liquidations are from $1 million, $2 million. Likely liquidation is just around $11 million. We have a lot of $1 million, $2 million, $3 million liquidation that happened yesterday. A lot of market participants are now feeling confident. They believe it's time to make money. It's time to lock in. If you take a look at Bitcoin's market cap, it got to as high as $1.75 trillion. New all-time highs also. Celebration and dancing if you're holding some Bitcoin. The worrying sign I've been seeing throughout this Bitcoin rally, guys, is that Bitcoin's valuation against gold has not been exploding like its valuation against the dollar. The valuation against the dollar has been rising. Valuation against other major currencies have also been rising. But against gold, we have not seen that epic pump for Bitcoin. Against gold, we have not seen Bitcoin just blast above its March highs. We have not even seen it blast above its 2021 highs, and that's a worrying signal. Maybe more fiat is getting printed. That's why Bitcoin is getting to $19,000 in 2021 dollars. Maybe we're not in all-time highs in 2017 dollars. Maybe we're not in all-time highs, but I know that in future this is going to be very important. Right now, let's just pay attention to it. Bitcoin's valuation against gold, hopefully to break into new all-time highs and to confirm the bull market. S&P has gotten to new all-time highs. The Dow Jones has gotten to new all-time highs. MicroStrategy stock has gotten to new all-time highs from 2001. We have seen MicroStrategy stock just over the last 1 month, and over the last 3 months from the 5th of August, we have seen it rally up by more than 250%. So crazy things are happening with everything affiliated with Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance is rising, even getting 61%. Guys, these are just signs of the end of Bitcoin rally. Bitcoin has been rising over the last 2 years. If you have got into Bitcoin, you'd have enjoyed most of the ride. If you have got into Bitcoin when it was down in Goblin Town right now, you'll be singing Kumbaya. Right now, you'll be among those Bitcoin whales that are taking some profit off the table. Guys, Bitcoin has $90,000 doesn't mean you're early. Bitcoin $90,000, you are very late. This is the ending phases of another bull market. This message might not come in with good lights. You might not like the message you're hearing, but that's just the truth. Bitcoin has gone from $15,600, reaching as high as $90,000, more than a 480% pump. Usually, Bitcoin is rally more than this, but since Bitcoin got larger, the rallies got smaller, and I'll not be shocked if this is the end of this market cycle. Guys, drop it out in the comment section. Are you still bearish on the Bitcoin price chart like me? Or are you bullish thinking we're still continue pumping to the moon? I believe this is a gigantic bull trap, the biggest bull trap we've seen in Bitcoin history. I'm of the opinion in the next 2 weeks, we're going to see Bitcoin dumping below $73,000, and that will signal the start of our dumped Goblin Town. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.